Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has announced a series of major decisions within hours of taking office. The first cabinet meeting focused on youth welfare, employment, urban development and property reforms. The government announced free bus passes for all students across Karnataka. The move comes in addition to the existing Shakti scheme that provides free bus travel for women. The cabinet also decided to revive employment exchanges to help young people find jobs in the private sector. In a major youth outreach initiative, the government approved the formation of 10,000 Bharat Jodo youth associations across villages and urban wards. Each unit will receive a 10 lakh rupees grant for sports, cultural activities, leadership development and community engagement. For Bengaluru, the government sanctioned 2,000 crore rupees to asphalt roads across the city. The Chief Minister said the work is expected to be completed within the next 3 to 4 months. The cabinet also cleared measures to regularize certain property categories. Owners of smaller properties with planning deviations will be given an opportunity to obtain civic amenities. The conversion of B-Khata to A-Khata will now be extended across Karnataka. The Chief Minister said the government's priority would also be addressing farmers' concerns, though detailed decisions would be taken after consultations with experts and officials. D.K. Shivkumar stated that the new government intended to focus on implementation and governance while using his 4 decades of political experience to bring what he described as a new phase of administration in Karnataka.